Hi, welcome to Seri Story. This time we are showing something unique about Muga Silkworm. Muga Silkworm is endemic to Assam and its adjoining areas in northeastern India, and it is popular for naturally produces golden silk. From time immemorial, many ethnic and tribal groups have produced Muga silk. Muga silkworms are wild and it is a single species with little genetic variation among its population. By the way, a part of Muga silk and its definition, we will show you how Muga silkworm ripen. The Muga silkworm is multivoltine and passes through 4 molds and 5 instar. After 8 days of its 4th mold, the Muga silkworm become mature to ripe. The silkworm will keep their head up in the evening time and stay where they are. After 1 or 2 hours of this freezing position, they slowly process for ripen. The Muga larva of Muga silkworm ejected some kind of fluid from its anus. It is maybe red or water color. After the fluid ejection, the larva become transparent in light and the surface of the larva make a coarser sound while rubbing of the body. As a wild silkworm, the Muga worms are reared in outdoor conditions and they will do everything of larval life on the food plants only. These golden yarn producing worms are very sensitive and the rearers are believe lots of traditional rituals while rearing. They believe that these silkworms are very holy and spiritual and they are depending on their luck for better harvest of this silkworm. The price of the Muga silk is very high. Even the demand is also high, but the multiple challenges are coming as a barrier for the production. The larval period of Muga silkworm lasts for 30 to 35 days. In the evening, the ripen worms come down to the trunk of the trees to searching for a suitable place for spinning of cocoons. They are then collected by rearers and put in bamboo basket containing dry twigs and leaves which are set as cocoon edges or jali for the spinning of cocoons. The jalis are then hung and left undisturbed in separate rooms or at some shady place till cocoons are formed. Dry leaves of singori, bhumloti, ajar, etc. are also utilized for preparation of jali by the rearers. It is believed that cocooning in singori leaves produces shining and compact cocoons. Spinning takes place about 2 to 3 days in summer and 7 days in winter season. Muga cocoon is golden or light brown in color, 4 to 6 cm long and 2 to 3 cm broad with a rudimentary peduncle without ring. After 6 days to 8 days of the spinning, the cocoons are collected from the jalis as green cocoon. The main day of ripening is called bhorpok, and the uniform good cocoons of that day are generally kept as seed cocoon for next rearing, and others are kept as reeling cocoon to produce yarn. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment to grow more with Seri Story. Thank you. Stay tuned with us. Seri Story.